So we're gonna unbox. What was this? The thing I asked Sumin to buy for me in Korea. Oh shit. Wait. Wala akong cutter. Papel. Nakita. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Okay. I already know what it is. Wait. Na-excite ako. Teka lang. Okay. Wait lang. Oh my god! Wait! It's actually tatlo to eh. Ay, tangina natanggal yung picture. Parang wala ako. Ay, shit. Ay, shit. Nasaan na yun? I already see it. Oh my god! Wait lang! Okay, so... Yeah, wait lang. Album. Pero... NCT Dream. Oh my god! Oh my god, he's so handsome. It's a magazine na may pictures ni Jaemin, I believe. Cover photo lang si Jaemin. I don't know where is his pictures. Wait. Shit. Ayun! Oh my god, wait lang. Eternally Screaming. Oh my god! Bumili ng magazine para kay Jaemin. Oh my god, look! He's so handsome! Oh my gosh! Ang pogi niya! Oh my god! Gago! Ang pogi! Ang pogi niya! Oh my god! Oh my god! Di mo yung susi! Oh my gosh! Yo. This is a gift ni Sumin sa akin. Now, on to the... Okay. 2 albums I bought. Yung ISTJ na albums. Oh my god, wait lang. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. How cute. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay. Sino ma-manifest ko? Ma-manifest ko, of course, si Jaemin. Please! Sana, please. Please. Ina, si Jaemin. Si Jaemin or kahit ano. Basta Oh my gosh. Sana si Jaemin. But I'm okay with any of it. Si Jaemin. Ito yung isang album. So, okay. Let's open. Oh my gosh, wait. Nai-stress ako. Teka lang. Ayaw masira. Okay. Ang pogi nila dito. Okay. Andito yung inclusions. Oh my God! Seryoso? Ito yun? Oh. Oh, shit! Nakita ko pa lang yung signature. Teka lang. Teka lang! Lord! Lord! Teka lang! Oh my God, ang ganda naman. Ang ganda niya. Diba siya? Ito nga nung konti lang yung inclusions pala nito. Putang ina! Nakita ko yung signature. Signature pa lang. Feel ko, alam ko na to. Feel ko. Wait. Hindi ko titignan. I'm not sure kung siya ba. Nakuha ko si Jenna! Oh my God, papatayin ako ni Sumit. Oh my God! Oh my God! Hala, ang ganda niya. Oh my God! Nakuha ko si Jeno! Nakuha ko pa si Mark! Lahat ng bias ni Sumit. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I got a Jeno! Napull ko si Jeno. Shit! Oh my gosh! First pull ko na Jeno yun ah. Ay, may poster. Ay, may letter. Shit. Ganda. It's so pretty. Hala, ang ganda ng album. Oh my God. Napapogi nila. Shit. 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 Oh my God. Ang pogi ni Hechan dito. Shit. Teka lang. Oh my gosh. Look how... Ah. Wait lang. Yung baby ko. Yung baby ko. My baby. It's my baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my God! Napull ko si Jeno! What the fuck? Nagbibiruan pa naman kami. We were joking around that I would pull Jeno. And I did. I pulled that Jeno! Shit! Oh my God, kala ko si Jaemin. Fuck. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then, the next album. Ow! Okay. Kailangan ko bumili ulit ng mga PC holder. Shit. Oh my gosh. Magsaselos yan si Sumin. Sumin's gonna get mad. I pulled her bias. Shit. Gosh, I can't believe it. Eto si Jaemin. Si Jaemin. Please, 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 please. Si Jaemin. Gustong gusto ko yung photocard nito. Si Jaemin. Oh my God. Please, 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 please. Huh? Saan yung inclusions? Ay, tangina. Okay. Puta. I think I know. I think I know. I saw. Oh my gosh, I saw. I saw who it was. Ulit? Wait. Shut up. I I pulled two Genos. It's Jenna. Allah. Oh my gosh, Shumen's gonna freak out. I pulled two Geno. Oh my gosh. Hala, nag-Q siya dito. Q. Q. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ah! Yes! Yes! Oh my God. Minanifest ko si Jamin, si Jenna yung pumunta. Ganun pala kunin si Jenna. Oh my God, ang ganda. I really like Jamin in this album. Sobrang pogi niya. Sobrang pogi. Like, really handsome. I like his style. Yung hair niya, ang ganda ng hair niya. Like, kuya, ang pogi niyo po. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Ah! Ang pogi niya. Okay. Guys. Oh my gosh. Wala na. Tapos na yung laang. Oh my God, ang pogi niya. Oh my God. Oh my God. Iiyak ako. Iiyak ako. Like, cry. I will cry. Girl, yes. Sumina! I pulled Jano! I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. My first Jano PC na galing album. Oh my God, maganda. Tang ina, kala ko si Jamin. Okay, yun lang guys. Bye-bye.